Draft, definition, draft in a sentence, draft pronunciation, draft meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of draft. 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 Draft as a noun means an official version of a piece of writing or of a design. Common usages in academic writing: a first draft, a rough draft, a second draft, the final draft, a draft design. Example sentences: draft noun. Your first draft will likely need many modifications to help the flow of your paper. Example sentence number 2, email me a draft of your report before you submit it. I would like to take a look at your results section. Please write a sentence using draft in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know draft's pronunciation, draft's meaning, and how to use draft in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.